Hello and welcome to the launch video for CAT Cracker 2026 course from Anastasis Academy. We'll start off with telling you a little bit about who and what we are. We are one of the very few teacher-led institutes. And what I mean by teacher-led institute is that most of our decisions are based around teaching and not prioritizing business concerns, which is a little different from what we usually see in the market. We teach in a systematic fashion. Everyone starts off right at the basics, and we move in an orderly fashion to a point where you would be able to crack CAT with the highest levels of knowledge and understanding that you need. There is in-depth theory coverage, and in the follow-up, we have special sessions on test taking, making sure that you are able to approach the exam in the most appropriate manner and get the best possible outcomes for yourself. Now, given that CAT 2026 is only about 6 months away, the CAT stress is indeed mounting, and everyone is committing harakiri. CAT is too close. We have to study so much. There is so much left for me to do. Should I be going here? Should I be going there? What exactly should you be doing? That has become a concern for most of the people who are planning to take CAT 2026. And I'm here to assuage your doubts. I'm here to assuage your concerns and make sure that you have a steady plan available to crack CAT in the most effective manner possible. The primary problem that people face is not because the CAT exam is too tough. It is primarily because they don't have a roadmap, they don't have a guide by which they can crack CAT. They are running after too many resources. There is no structure. There is no systematic fashion in which they can progress. There is no accountability. There is no, let's say, test taking appropriateness that is emphasized in the market. What usually happens is people cover theory and then they expect, okay, CAT is going to be enough. That is how college exams work. That is how board exams work. CAT as a paper does not work like that. And that is where our course of CAT Cracker 2026 comes in. This is one platform, there is one roadmap, and the eventual goal is CAT success. There are two variants within this course. The first is the CAT Cracker course live, which will have live workshops and test taking exercises and OMET training, all of it included. The other one is self-paced. This is a cheaper variant with the intent of catering to those people who don't want to spend too much, are fairly familiar with the course content and everything, and simply want to go ham in the last few days to maximize their score. And notice I'm saying last few days because anybody who thinks that you can start CAT prep in the month of September and October and crack CAT then, it is highly unlikely. Perhaps the latest by which you can start your CAT prep and do it in a orderly fashion and get to the highest of percentiles would be June. End of June is like the cutoff point. After that, you can do additions, you can supplement your prep, but starting off right at the beginning is going to be a near impossible task. And I understand it is contrary to business interest to say that after June, if you start CAT prep, it is unlikely you're going to crack. But then this is where Anastasis Academy is different from other places where we tell you the truth without necessarily bothering about business goals. Okay, what is there within the CAT cracker system? Let's go. There's a three-phase system. In the first phase, you're getting familiar with the concepts and you're practicing and you're basically familiarizing yourself with what this exam entails, CAT and OMETs and everything else. In the second phase, we do advanced workshops and revision of the concepts that were learnt in phase one. And in the third phase, we look at how do you attempt a mock, how do you move on from a question that is giving you trouble, how do you don't spend a lot of time on a DILR set that refuses to crack open for you, and essentially making sure that your decisions within that 120-minute time frame are of the highest order. The timeline for each of these phases is also mentioned below, which should give you a fair idea. We are about 182 days away from CAT, and this course, if done appropriately at a fast pace, you can get it done in 120 days. But in case there are a little bit of gaps and there are a little bit of, let's say, lazy days involved, it can still happen 150 days. It can still happen in 150 days. It is just that you have to put your foot to the pedal to the metal and go ham in case CAT excellence and CAT success is what you're after. What is contained within these phases? You're going to have to watch the recordings of the classes at your own pace. So those of us who have the capacity, you can do 3 classes per day. Those of you who have the capacity can do 2 classes per day. In case you don't have the capacity of doing 2 classes per day, then perhaps CAT 2027 would be the more appropriate choice. But at least 2 classes per day, it is expected you would be doing 2, 3, 4, however many you can do. Of course, the classes are not the end all be all. After the classes, there are also specifically designed home sheets for that particular topic that will get you familiarity and also make you comfortable with more advanced ideas. Then in the second phase, we do live workshops for understanding the nuances and what the exam is focusing on. We will also look at special question variations which don't get classified under a specific topic but are tested in the exams that you have. And you will supplement your theoretical foundations. Whatever you've learned in phase one, you're going to support that with practical application. So many a time you would notice there are ways of solving a question in a technical manner, which will perhaps take you 3 minutes, 4 minutes. But if you play around with the options and if you look at the way the wordings have been framed, perhaps you can get to the answer in less than a minute. But then that can only happen once your foundational understanding is in place. And that is why this is covered in phase two, not necessarily in phase one. Then in the final phase, we move to test taking focus. Does not mean you will only start test taking in the third phase. You will start test taking in phase two, but then fine tuning of what your test taking should be like and how do you maximize your score in the exam hall. This will happen in phase three. And for this to happen in phase three, your test taking will start in phase two itself. The mocks and sectionals that you're attempting, they will start in phase two itself. But by the time you're in phase three, you would have a greater understanding of where you individually struggle and what all things you would need to do in order to improve your score. Because one advice does not fit all. In order to get you to where you need to go, the resources at your disposal are going to be structured recorded classes. All the classes that have happened in 2026 cycle with students, those would be available to you. You'll have weekly mock discussion. Every Saturday morning, there is a mock that gets discussed. 20,000 plus practice questions across all areas, quant, DILR, VARC, everything is available. There will be 30 sectionals each and 30 plus mocks available as well. So in terms of resources, materials, you don't need to go anywhere else. Everything is present within the course itself. Now talking about the different variants that we have, please. The two variants that we have is the self-paced variant and the live variant. The self-paced variant is a deliberate low-cost variant with the intention of aiding somebody who is wholly and solely focused on CAT and has reasonable grounding of what this paper requires, but they need all the practice resources, everything structured under one roof. So the self-paced CAT Cracker course is for you. It will help you cover the required materials in a fast manner and also give you adequate number of questions so that by the time you go for CAT, no topic, no area will seem to you like it is alien. Then CAT Cracker course live, it will have all the things that are included in the self-paced course. So the 600 plus RC passages, 2500 plus questions for verbal practice, 800 DILR set, 6500 questions for quant practice, the 90 CAT sectional test, 30 across each section, 30 CAT mocks, all of these are included. But CAT Cracker course live, these will have more inclusions, everything from the self-paced variant, and you will have 90 sectional tests for CAT and OMET sectional tests also included. And you will also have some more CAT mocks included. You'll also have weekly mock analysis classes, live workshops, test refinement taking classes that start from August, and sessions for OMET. All of this is included in CAT Cracker course, which will be here the focus. The theory teaching will be done through the recordings of classes that you would see at your own pace. But then the workshops are going to fine tune your understanding and application of questions. And eventually, in the third phase, we are going to do a lot of test taking workshops wherein there'll be a lot of live mock attempts and question selection exercises, temperament management exercises, all that stuff that ensures that you are able to perform to the best of your ability in the examination hall. Understand, in CAT, you don't need to score 100% in order to get a good percentile. You need to maximize your score, and anything upwards of 50% of the entire paper is considered an amazing score. Is pretty much guaranteed to get you 90 plus, 99 plus percentile at 50% score. Okay. This course is for serious CAT aspirants. If you're somebody who is lazing about, if you're somebody who is thinking, no, CAT is something I can ace without necessarily putting in a lot of effort, this course is not for you. This will not help you. This requires a lot of effort, a lot of engagement from your end. If you're a college student in the final year of your college and you have to manage your college academics and CAT prep and you need something that provides you with flexibility, perhaps this course helps you. If you're a repeater, you need to brush up on the things that you've learned in the past and want to fine tune your test taking strategy, perhaps this course will help you. If you're a working professional who does not have the ability to sit through long hours and long lectures and going through 15 hours of recorded classes that have happened in a day, and then get to a point where CAT attempt is something you don't give up on 2 weeks in, perhaps this course is for you. And this is also for people who are doing self-prep. And while you're doing self-prep, you're feeling a little overwhelmed because of the lack of structure that you're encountering. This course will provide you with the structure that you need and ensure that you're ready for CAT in the best manner possible. This time next year, you'll either wish you started today, or you will be happy that you started today itself. The CAT Cracker 2026 course is going to ensure that we provide you with all the tools and all the skills and all the support system that you need in order to succeed. Of course, we cannot guarantee your success, but we can ensure that there will be no stone left unturned in trying to ensure that you get the best outcome possible. And your journey to top B school starts here. That will be all from my end. Okay, bye. In case you have more questions or you want to get further clarity, you can call and WhatsApp on the number provided on every page of this presentation. You can get greater clarity from there. That will be all. Thank you very much. Okay, bye.